I'm sipping, that's what I'm about. I'll make it rain in the club like fuck the drought. Then run a train on your bitch, she's the main route. And she gotta fuck the whole crew, bitch, gotta bounce. You already know I'm smoking on a fucking ounce. I mean, I'm puffing on October straight from the ground. Man, I love Mother Earth. Man, she got my lungs hurt. And I just keep going hard. Man, I'm puffing going blurt. Man, I keep on brain fart. Man, I'm going fucking hard. And I keep on rolling in the deep. I got no fucking card. And I've got no fucking license. But I got no fucking slighting. Cause you know I'm going hard. Man, I'm going all night. And I ain't never go to sleep. Man, fuck that shit. Cause I'm a real hustler. That's just how it is. And I gotta get this money, count the steady, kid. Cause you already know I'm trying to get this steady shit. I'm trying to get ready, bitch. I keep on fucking slipping. This trippy doodle bop just in my mind, just know I'm tripping. And that's why sometimes my shit be all slurred and sound like getting like you just killing a lizard or fucking sick shit. God damn it, I'm an owl. I'm on this fucking round. You already know. My crew, we blow it down. I'm on the shit that you can't get. And if you want it, come fuck with this trippy shit, this trippy movement. Yeah, we rolling off the pole and then we run through shit. Man, we shady niggas like Judas. I'll smoke a haze, pop pill, and grab two texts. I'll straight roll on a nigga, run through clips. Weak hearted niggas, yeah, we shoot through them. And Biggie niggas, man, down once the blues down. Because my squad pop off, we go straight ham. Nigga, bang, bang, like bam, bam. I got a full army, call me Uncle Sam. I'm into that. Quick quarterback, you already know that contraband. I'm loose pack, we're straight facts. You know I'm into that dirty shit. I keep going, fucking dirty piss. I'm going hard in this dirty lips with them dirty lights. Trippy dude, I got a long stripe. I'm going hard with one knife. I'm going out, it's my right. I need this shit all night. Zoning, fucking blowing on the poet. I got me fucking flowing. That's my rhyme, that's my hook in every song. If you don't fuck with it, nigga, get off my balls, nigga. You can't get lost, nigga. Bitch, get stepping. I said it one time, with this weapon, I'll get reckless. I'll fucking snatch a nigga necklace. And then I'll feed it to his motherfucking peasant. And I'll just let him go ham and rip all the diamonds. And then I'll stand on the podium and start rhyming. And then I'll take his bitch. And then I'll take his mom. And then I'll start tapping in both of their songs.
Oh my god, that was hard.
Yeah.
That was hard.
Sit to me. What's in here, man?